to another video. Today we have the SKIL 2 combo kit for $46. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Joe the tool guy for posting this up. Basically we got a DIY kit, really good deal here for $46.20. This drill by itself, it's about $53 around there, just by itself, the drill. So you're getting the level here, you're getting a charger, and you're getting a case here. So let's look at it here. I'll see if I can leave the link down below for this product so you guys would get it. Make sure you guys get it, because these prices do change, and they pretty much change. They could change within today or tomorrow. So it is a brushless tool. As you guys see, you got the clutch right there. Here's a level. Looks like an electric level, so you're gonna, if you guys like these electric levels, really easy to see, a lot easier than this little bubble that they have. And that's the way it looks when in use. And that's the level, how you guys could use it. And then the battery, guys, this is another feature that this line of tools have, is that they have USB charging already built into the batteries. So that is a plus on this this kit here. Definitely check it out. It says, here's a video right there, do power assist, charge any other device with built-in USB. So that's it for today. I'll leave the link down below so you guys will get it. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.